Well, as you can see, I'm kind of obsessed with being a mountain man. So today I'm going to be shooting my Thompson Center 50 cal. This is my Jeremiah Johnson gun. I've got a little bit of trouble with my nipple. I got to get a new one. I'm just riding this one out until I don't need a new one. So you'll notice sometimes the hammer slaps down and it doesn't go off, and that's just because the nipple's a little bent. So usually on the second one. So yeah, hopefully you get to see some mountain man shooting. So all of these steps would have been done before I see the bear. I'll probably be walking through the bush, hammer down, but with a charge in there, with a powder charge like in a ball. And then I just have to cock my hammer when I see a bear, and then proceed to put a cap on. And in a perfect world, it's one shot. It's just, you pull the trigger, click, boom. It's a little scary to think about having to, you know, like I said, when we're gonna go through this process again, I'm gonna make it a hair trigger and it should just go off right away, but it's not. So think about this sound. If you're a bear, this is gonna send you running. If you hear this sound, you're gone. So then I'd have to recock. Now if that would happen the first time, Winnie the Pooh's dead.